James. I'm Director of Manufacturing at Allredi. Clean dry air is critical to success in the surface preparation industry. And nothing provides dry air better than Marco brand, powered by Allredi Aftercoolers. They're available in sizes from 400, 750, 950, and 1600. They deliver approximately 95% dry air, or remove 95% of vapor out of the airstream. Some of the features on our units are that all the units have aluminum cored radiators that are rated for a 20-degree approach for the rated CFM. They have large reservoirs for oil to lubricate the air motors that drive the fan. On the larger units, we have tie-down lugs and lifting lugs up the top. And all the units have coalescent tanks to collect the converted water. Another feature is field repairable air hoses, and all sizes are available with pipe plugs and air shutoff kits.